Good morning world and welcome back to Trendy Hot Beauty. I'm Kenzie Craig Michaels. We just did a smoky look on the eye with NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in a gray format, and we used black eyeliner and white Rimmel eyeshadow from Rimmel London Cosmetics. We're back now to show you, so I can show you exactly if you have this look and you want to change it because you went to your girlfriend's place and she's got a smoky eye on and it looks almost identical and she's almost got the same lip color on. How do you fix it? What are you gonna do? How do you change it so quickly? Simple. All you need to do is take your concealer palette. This happens to be from Bobbi Brown, but you can use from L'Oreal as well. We're going to blend down the color on the lips, which had the Lise Wachee lip liner on and the matte lip gloss. And since this actually has a peach tone to it, you don't have to do anything else except for put clear lip gloss on, which we're going to do. Another great interesting thing is if you show up to someone's house, you know, you're going to a party, you want to look, you know, your best, and you go there and you're thinking, oh my gosh, you know, like that person looks identical to me with their makeup on. It's very simple to change. So what we're going to be using today is the NYX, I call it the Rainbow Palette, but it's the NYX Pro Palette, and it has wondrous colors in there. From yellows to greens to turquoise to waters of the sea to purples to pinks to oranges to reds. You can do actually almost anything with this palette. Actually anything with it. And we'll be practicing with this palette all next week as well. So let's begin. How do you actually change the eye shape? So what we're going to do, or change your look that you currently have. So we've changed the lips. We're now going to take the hot pink color here and apply it right in the inner corner and on the lid. By patting. So pat, 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 and blend. Pat, 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 and blend. Pat, 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 and blend. On the other eye. This is a great way to pop your eye color when you actually do have a smoky eye. Just gives it a little more multi-dimensional effect to it. And changes the look up too. So if your friends come over and you're having drinks, martinis, beers, whatever you drink, if you drink. This just adds a pop and a hint of color. And we just applied it to the inner corner of the mobile eyelids to change the color of the lips by just putting concealer on it. And I will use my trusty MAC lip gloss again to go over top of that concealer color. Or you can use a clear gloss, or any color you choose. And voila! The change has happened, and it's only been less than 4 minutes. Thank you so much for joining me on Freaky Fridays. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels from Trendy Hot Beauty. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks viewers for watching, and thank you for choosing Trendy Hot Beauty. Cheers everyone. Remember, tick tock, time's a ticking.